Protein haibase yam mathau taba macronutrients amani adudi akoina muscle gain khaktang matamda protein mathau tai atopa akoi workout tawdragadi protein chadrasu yaena khalli adubu protein haibase akoi ki muscle gain khakta da use tawbanate akoi ki hair cell repair oiba masung akoi ki skin khuding makta su mathau tai akoi protein haibase adi workout tawdragasu akoi nongoi mathau ta protein dudi consume tawdaba yade aduga akoina kyam consume tawgani aduga karamba protein sources na hena phagani haibadam ngasi video se akoi myam puna yengminarasi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nasi video se myam da protein ki sources manga khak share tawjagani adudi sigi protein sources se koi muscle gain amasung fat loss animak ki goal la use tawba yagadaba protein sources ngatani. Armed with protein sources is chicken breast. 100 gram chicken breast present oil is almost 25 gram protein present oil amasung no carbs and no fat. Adugi akoi si se fat loss amasung muscle gain animak da akoi chicken breast se consume tawba yagani protein sources ama oina aduga chicken da su leg amasung wing se high in fat oil adugi akoi si se once or two in a week consume tawba yagani chicken breast idi akoi nutigi akoi consume tawba yagani si se lean protein si se akoi fat loss su yang kanagani amasung muscle gain su yang kanagani. Second ge protein sources na egg white se akoi yam line su phangwa mi amasung yam su tangde adugi si se akoi nutigi consume tawba yaba protein sources amani adugi one egg white present oil se 4 gram protein almost aduga no fat and no carbs adugi si se akoi muscle gain amasung fat loss ani mukta si consume tawba yagani. Third ge protein sources na fish is a good sources of protein amani amasung akoi si se yam easily digest oiba ngami adugi fish su akoi nungti consume tawba yagani protein sources ama oina aduga 100 gram fish present oil se almost 25 gram akoi protein phangani amasung 8 gram carbs ge phangan da 0% fat aduga mayamna fish consume tawba matam da fresh amasung local ge fish oina hena consume tawbiyo duduna hena akoi my protein ge percentage wangani amasung akoi haksang da sukana phangani. Fourth protein sources na soya chunk amasung tofu animal se soybean product ni soybean haibase yam cheap oi amasung yam easily available oiba protein sources amani 50 gram soybean present oil is almost 25 gram protein and 12 gram carbs and almost negligible amount of fat present oil adubu nupana soybean se akoi moderation da use tawbigadami adudi yamni henjan na use tawba taragasu akoi haksang da female hormone increase oibagi chances ojani masigi oiba in last time jari protein sources se paneer se akoi jum da saba taragadi hena fagani natra market teki akoi leiba taragadi akoi mana sarai ba milk to low fat milk na saba paneer to use tawbiu adudi protein gidamakta akoi paneer se su yam fava sources amani 100 gram paneer da phangi se almost 20 gram protein oil aduga carb 0% and negligible amount of fat present oil adui da makta akoi fat loss oigera natraga muscle gain oigera akoi paneer se use tawba yagani aduga mayamna nongoi mathau taiba protein do complete oina da makta fulfill oina da makta ngasi na haijagiba top 5 protein do mayamna use tawba yagani any goal da amasung workout tawda minasu aduga mayamna ei channel subscribe tawda bataragadi please subscribe to viramo amasung adongi friend and colleagues sing da share tawba kawbeganu. Thank you.